Open Pacers lined up for tonight's 8th race, a field of 8 on gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Papa Knows Best sprints out from the center. Jagger Blue Chip firing from the outside, and Mink's Request left well. Those three into the opening turn. It's Mink's Request, who continues on from in between horses, but it's Papa Knows Best who sprints out and now draws clear from Blue Ridge Straight, who was hustled away along the inside. Jagger Blue Chip continues on park from third. Mink's Request away in fourth. It's another length and a half back along the inside to Father-in-Law, who's away in fifth in front of Barbie's Apache Cam sixth. Past the opening quarter, 27-1. So it's a quick opening panel as the free-for-all Pacers sprint towards the half, single file up the backside. Real or Magic still along the inside seventh, and a Ring of Rosa trails the field as they race towards the half. Jagger Blue Chip, Loney looks to tap on the brakes now. Papa Knows Best is running us back second. Blue Ridge Straight content to track still from third. Mink's Request along the inside, but now moves first over fourth as they pass by the half, 55-1. So Jagger Blue Chip setting some quick fractions here as they move on to the far turn. Mink's Request quickly, now only a half length back of the outside second. Papa Knows Best from third. Real or Magic is towed into it perfectly. Second over on the outside, fourth. A Ring of Rosa is third over fifth. Blue Ridge Straight saves ground, nowhere to go from sixth. Barbie's Apache Cam up on the outside seventh around Father-in-Law's. They race around the far turn. Jagger Blue Chip still there. Mink's Request on the outside second through three quarters, 124-2. Real or Magic tips three wide at the top of the lane as they drive for the finish. Real or Magic is powered into the lead. Jagger Blue Chip tries to fight back along the inside. Ring of Rosa down the center of the track, but it's Real or Magic who has drawn clear. Real or Magic gonna win it. Jagger Blue Chip finished second, a Ring of Rosa third, Papa Knows Best fourth in 152 flat.